Okay, what we do first is we shut off the gas lines. We got a gas line on over there. We're going to shut off the gas, disconnect these ovens, pull up the flooring, and move that all to the side. We're going to tape off. We're going to tape this off so we're not pulling contaminants up into the vents. Tape this off, tape all the way around, have it fully contained. That way we've got enough room to jackhammer, move the backfill, expose the pipe. There's galvanized pipe touching the copper, which is a big no-no. That causes electrolysis. That's why the pipes failed. 100%. I've got no doubt in my mind that's why the pipes failed.
Right.
So we need to jackhammer, dig all that down, expose the pipe. You've got, I don't know if they isolated hot or cold, but realistically what we need to do is we need to replace at least, 3-4 feet of the pipe that's touching that galvanized.
Right.
Make the repair. We'll use copper. We cover it. We can move, once it's covered, these guys can be in business, that's all good. We'll keep it clean and we'll just wait for the inspector.
How long do you think this process is going to take?
We're going to we'll get the permit pulled and hopefully approved tomorrow. It may take another day to get it approved, but we'll have it pulled first thing tomorrow morning. It will take a day to expose this, get everything exposed, make our repair, hopefully. Once we get it open, we'll see, how bad it is. We should be able to address it all within like a 4 to 5 foot section.
Okay.
Once that's repaired, we're covering it, we'll clean up, and we wait till city comes out. And it's probably going to be, it'll be for sure, before Thursday. It'll probably be by like Thursday.
Can we expedite the permitting process?
No, they come as soon as they come. We'll pull the permit right away.
Okay.
If you approve, so total job, including the leak detection that we've already done, everything included, we're $14,400.
Okay.
That covers the containment. That covers us digging it up, making the repair. It covers the permit cost. That covers the backfill, concrete, and then we just need you to come in and epoxy it. When it's done, we'll put everything back, and we're good to go.
Perfect.
So if you authorize it, I can actually have them I could probably get the permit pulled today.
I'm authorizing it